Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix iPhone auto dimming. Means automatic if your iPhone brightness low, then here are the fixes, and the first one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to the option accessibility. Tap on it. Here you will find the option display and text size. Tap on it, and here scroll down and look for auto brightness. Turn this feature off. If you found it in on mode, then disable auto brightness. The one more workaround to fix this issue is, again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here again scroll down and tap on Face ID and attention. Tap on it. Here attention aware feature. Must ensure that this feature should be disabled. If you found it in enabled mode, then disable attention aware feature. The one more workaround to fix this issue is, swipe down your iPhone, go to control center, and here tap and hold your brightness and turn off true tone from the bottom right corner, and also night mode should be disabled. If you found it in enabled mode, disable all these three features: true tone, night mode and dark mode. You can also apply this method. The one more workaround is, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on general settings. Here tap on software update, and if any update, iOS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated of iOS may be a cause of such type of issue, dimming